Assalamu alaikum. My name is Mikidash Ihab. I will be presenting the secondary project of the Computer and Network Security module. Our project consists of a password strength checker. We did an extension that you can install on your browser directly, so you can check your passwords, the strength of your passwords when you are, for example, creating a new account. First of all, I will be presenting how to install the extension. So we will first remove the installed one. In the extensions tab, you will go to load unpacked, then select the extension folder. The folder will be provided in submission files, and then the extension will be directly installed. You can access it directly. For example, if you are creating an account and you want to test whether your password that will be strong enough or not, you can use it directly. The extension has two main components. A component of password analysis, where you will give your input and get feedback. Another one where you will generate a password that should match criteria that make a password strong. You can specify some parameters that you want, depending on the requirements of the website that you are trying to create an account in, for example. You can specify also the length, and then when you click generate, it will generate you a password with the relatively high entropy and some randomness in the characters that will make it hard to crack. Now in the analysis part, all you need to do is enter your password and then click analyze. You can also see the password, for example. Here it will give you a score from 0 to 100 depending on the strength, and give you an estimated time of cracking that we estimate in our code. There is also some feedback and advice that you should take into account to create a stronger password if there are problems, and there are some details such as the entropy, variety, and if it is a common password. For example, if we here password is a common password that was already used in some cases. For the analysis, there are two parts. We do one part manually by checking different features such as the uppercase, lowercase, the variety, if it is common dictionary, if it is vulnerable to offline cracking or dictionary. There is also another component using machine learning where we train the model to predict the strength of password. We found a dataset in Kaggle and labeled with the strength of a password, and used it to train a model that would have as input a password. It would extract different features such as the entropy, the length, the variety, and what we did here, such as if they are uppercase or not lowercase. Then it would classify it in one of the three classes: weak, average password, or strong password, which gives us an additional information to give a reliability score on the password. And that should be all for the password analyzer extension for the secondary project.